Good morning, Year 6, and welcome to June.
Yay! Summer's here.
So, we are going to be looking at Fluent in 5, practicing our arithmetic, but also we're going to look at reading and interpreting line graphs. So, let's do it. Here's your Fluent in 5. Pause the video, have a go, and I'll go through it with you in a minute. So, hopefully you pause the video, let's look at the answers. 490 divided by 7 is 70. 675.32 take away 138.83 is 536.49. 863 divided by 21 is 41 remainder 2. 6 add 3 times 6. Yeah, I've heard that one before. I feel like some of these are sneaking back.
I
So I hope
think
you got it right. 6 add 3 times 6 is 24. Obviously you had to do that part first. Then you've got 1/3 add 1/6 is 3/6 or 1/2. Extra point if you simplified it. And then we've got 0.6 divided by 0.2 is 3. Well done if you got those correct. So, line graphs. Here is your graph. Now the most important thing with a graph is to take your time and to look really carefully at what the axes are telling you. So if we look first along the x-axis of this shape, of this graph, crikey, we are given a big clue here. They're labelled. Graphs are always labelled. So this x-axis is about time. Then your intervals on the axes are periods of time or time itself. Then up the side, your y-axis is labelled as height above sea level in metres. So then that means that these numbers are metres. So if I was to pick that number, it would be 200 metres above sea level. So it's really important that you take time to read the graph and look carefully. So you've been given this graph and some questions. It says, question 1, what was the height above sea level where Aisha was walking at 2 p.m? So there's two things you need to find here. You need to find the time and the height above sea level. So you've been given the time, locate that on the graph, and then where does it meet for the height above sea level? B, at what time is Aisha's walk, at what time in her walk, was she standing 200 metres above sea level? So this time you've been given your metres, you've been given your 200 metres above sea level, you need to locate the time. C, part of the walk was along a beach. Between which time did she walk along the beach? You've got to use your knowledge to try and work that one out. And then, did the walk start and finish in the same place? Explain how you know. I like that question. That's really good. Now there is another challenge today, so pause the video and have a go at this one, and then the other challenge will be in a moment. So, challenge 2. The graph shows the temperature in Birmingham on one day. So up your y-axis you've got the temperature in degrees Celsius, and then along the x-axis you've got your times. A, what was the temperature at 1 p.m? B, what was the difference in temperature between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m? Then C, between which times was the temperature increasing? And then D, how often was the temperature recorded? So have a go and we will reveal the answers tomorrow. See you then.